It's like destiny, you know. I was also thinking about meeting you. I'm on my way to the Ds-studiozw. You can escort me there because there's this guy, Sha, who sells at the Musika. He's always bugging me, Sha. And if we go together, he won't bugaboo me, you know.
But, actually, I'm late for,
Sha, just do me this favor. Just escort me like that first time. I don't smack for his style, Sha.
Okay,
I can also tell you about myself while we walk. Let's go, Sha. My favorite color is red. I don't like guys who smoke. And I also go to church every Sunday. I'm also 20 years old. And my birthday is next month on the 16th. I also like going for movies, watching digital video discs. I like Urban Groove's music, the likes of J-Boss, Junior Brown, and Tricky T. I also like, cornflakes and strawberries. I like the good life, basically. The life that